action.
Okay, so this is Joe Rodriguez, instructor at Texas State Technical College. Now we want to demonstrate the drill bit and the drill sharpening that we've done. Hopefully the drill bit will now cut a piece of metal. As I said, the proof is in the pudding, so regardless of what that geometry looks like, how beautiful it looks, how nice it looks, if it doesn't do the actual work, then we haven't performed our job correctly. So with that, we'll put the drill bit in the chuck, and we will tighten down the chuck. Chuck key, make sure it's good and tight. And now we're ready to start drilling. Now I'm going to be drilling that hole over on that side. And notice that the vise that I'm working in has the screw over on its right side. I want to make sure to stress a little safety point for you. Make sure that this screw is always located on the left side of the machine and against the column of the drill press. So with that, now the reason for that is, should this piece actually get hung up and caught, the drill catch the part, it's going to have a tendency, since it's running clockwise, to pull the work to the right, or to the left I should say, possibly injuring whoever's operating it. So I want to make sure that I move this all the way over to the left, and then we'll start our drilling on that particular hole there. So with that, we'll go ahead and start the machine, and we'll try to drill the part. So here we go. Get that located somewhere near the center. Nice and easy. You can see that the drill bit is cutting on both sides. And how do I know that? I can see the two chips coming off, one on each side. That means that we're cutting on both sides of that drill bit. We have two cutting edges there, so I want to see both of those sides cutting. Now, as you start to break through on the bottom, I'd like for you to release the pressure just slightly so we don't catch the material as it's breaking through on the bottom side. So with that, I can start feeling that we're starting to come through, so I'm going to slightly, nice and steady pressure, but I'm going to let the pressure off slightly. Now we've drilled a hole in there. I will stop the machine, and we will take part out, and we'll take a look at this hole that we just drilled here. We just drilled this particular hole here, so that you can see the finish that we got with a little drill bit that we used, that we just sharpened. Nice and clean, fresh hole. So hopefully you'll be able to do this in a couple of tries. Sometimes it takes more than one try to get this done, accomplished, but I'm sure you will do just fine. I'll be here to help you, and you're welcome to take a look at this video. Thank you very much.